Hello, and welcome to Hubzero, a platform for scientific collaboration. Today, we will be walking through creating a new project on Hubzero. But first, navigate to your user dashboard by clicking on your username in the upper right-hand corner. Once you have navigated to your user profile, click on the Dashboard tab on the left-hand side. You can either navigate to projects by clicking the Projects tab or by finding the My Projects module on your dashboard page. I'm going to use this method, but note that my dashboard will look different from yours, for I have rearranged my modules in the past. On my Projects module, you will be able to find all the projects that you are a part of or have created in the past. On this module is also a button called New Project. Simply click this button to start a new project. The first step to creating a new project is selecting a title. Once you have selected your title, which can be changed later, select the alias name. The alias name is different from the title and is a permanent name. If you would like to describe your project now, click Yes, I'll do it now, or if you would like to move on to the next step of adding team members, click No later. I'm going to describe the project in order to help users understand what my project is about and for new project members to know what my goal is and expectations are for the project. Add your description into the About field. If you would like to add a project thumbnail or a project image, simply click Choose File, select the file, then Upload. You will see a preview of what your thumbnail will look like. Moving on, determine if you would like your project to be a private project or a public project. Simply choose between the two settings by selecting the radio button that works best for your project. I'm going to make my project a public project, so that way users can find and view parts of my project. Move on to the next step by clicking Save All and Continue. The second step is adding team members. I'm going to add Joe Public to my team. He's going to be a collaborator, which means that he has access to my project and can add material to the project, such as creating a new publication or uploading and managing project files, but he is unable to invite or remove team members or change any information or global settings on the project. Since I will be the manager, I am left with those responsibilities. Once you have added the appropriate team members, click Save All and Continue. Moving on to the last step, fill out any information about the project if your project is supported by a research grant. Answer the required fields. Once you have answered these two questions, click Save All and Continue. Get to know your new project. Updates is a location that will submit any new changes to the project as a new post. This is an automatic field that will update whenever a new change comes to the project. If you would like to change your project information, simply click the Info tab and then on the right-hand side, click Edit Project. You can edit the information such as the title, the About section, or your picture. Any changes that you make, click Save Changes to submit them. You can also edit your team by upgrading their role and then clicking Save, or adding new team members. You can also edit your settings by answering or filling in any of the following information. If you have made any changes, click Save Changes. To return to the project page, click the project page link in the upper left-hand corner. Speaking of updates, Your new changes will be submitted as an update or a post for any team members to view. They can see your changes by clicking the links available in each post. You can also upload files to your project. Simply click the Upload button. You can upload files to your project by clicking the Files tab and then clicking Upload. Click or drop a file in the field, then click Upload Now. Your upload will be processed, and then the new document will be added to your files. You can also create databases. Databases can be created from CSV files. You can either upload a CSV file by clicking here, or go back to your database if you do not wish to complete this step now. You can also start a publication from your project by clicking Start a New Publication. Adding to-dos, which are task reminders, are helpful for team members to remember important due dates. For example, the file I uploaded earlier is a travel form. I need to send in this travel form in order to go to a conference. You can assign the to-do to a team member or yourself and add a due date. Click Save to save the new to-do. You can also edit to make changes to the to-do or check it off. If you no longer need the to-do, click Delete. You can also add comments to the to-do to either update it or add more information. Notes are a helpful tool to publish information to the entire team. Add the title of your new note, then in the page text, insert the information. Add any tags to your new note. Click Save to save your new note. Your note will be available for all your team members to view. You can also generate a public link if you would like to send out this note. If you send it out to users who are not a part of your team, that's okay. They'll just be able to access the notes, but they won't be able to access any other information in your project. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more information, visit the Documentation tab on Hubzero. If you have an idea for what video we should publish next, visit the Support tab and then go to Wishlist to submit the new idea. If you have a question about our video, submit the question on Questions and Answers and a member of our community will answer you. Enjoy using the Hub!